Hello everyone and welcome back in another video. So you have been wondering how can you get free stuff on Temu without inviting friends or inviting anybody. You're in the right place because today in this video I'll show you how to get free stuff and free gifts on Temu without inviting anybody. So follow up with me till the very end of this video and let's jump right into it. First, let's go ahead and get something out of the way. We need to go ahead and open your Play Store first, or App Store, depends on what device you're on. I'm on Android, so I'm gonna open Play Store and search on Temu right here. And I'm gonna make sure I have the app updated to the latest version to make sure this video works properly and to make sure we are both on the same page for this process, guys. So make sure you have the app updated and let's quit from the store. Now from here, let's go ahead and open Temu. I'm gonna wait for it to fully load up. And here we are on Temu. So first, make sure you are logged into your account and then follow up with me from here. Tap on the U icon in the bottom right here at the middle. Again, make sure you are logged into your account. As you can see here, guys, I am logged into my account, and then tap on earn credits and free gifts right here. Once you tap there, you get a lot of options from these screen right here. Go ahead and choose one of these games or basically one of these methods to claim your gifts. I'm going to choose the first one. It is basically the best one for this video. So tap there, and from here you get a lot of gifts we can go ahead and choose. Just tap on pick it right under the gift that you want to claim, and you can get up to 5 gifts, guys. That is awesome. As you can see, let's go ahead and pick this speaker. As you can see, tap on pick it and then choose the color you want, and then tap on I want it at the bottom right here on this orange button. And now, as you can see, guys, I'll get a lot of offers and discounts right one under the other. And then once I tap on confirm in the bottom right corner, I get to claim my gift just like that, guys. And that is basically it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Leave your comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.